Hello, guys. Welcome to another episode of
Happily Whatever After.
I'm Karan.
And I'm Shoki.
We are not the perfect couple. We are here to share our mistakes so that you can learn from them.
And create a better relationship for yourself. On this channel, we talk about जो reality में सारे relationships में रायते फैलते हैं.
Resentment, patterns,
Conflict,
family drama.
and whatever you can think of that happened to you has also happened to us. We are here to share some practical tools and tips which helped Karan and me to come back from the worst case scenarios.
Yes. And if you ever feel stuck in your relationship or in marriage, we offer one-to-one coaching help. The links are mentioned in the description as well as in the end.
Don't forget to hit subscribe so that you get notified every single time we release a new episode, and join us on this journey to create better relationships.
So Shoki, let's talk something uncomfortable today.
हर बारी तो करते हैं.
हाँ, मतलब हम अनकंफर्टेबल चीज़ों के बारे में ज़रूर बात करते हैं, बट आज एक प्रेसिंग इशू के बारे में बात करेंगे कि व्हाट डज अ सक्सेसफुल मैरिज एक्चुअली लुक्स लाइक,
or what social media defines it for us. That this is how it's supposed to look like. So Karan, what do we see about couples and relationship on social media?
happy couple photos, having 2 kids, going on a vacation every year and clicking some photographs on Instagram and sharing it.
And very aesthetic and Pinteresty, Instagrammable relationships.
Yes.
Which always seem to have these happy times together, never any problems, no fights, no conflicts. इतना Instagram पे इतना सब कुछ देखने के बाद I don't think anyone stops to think that is this what life truly looks like, or is it just how it's supposed to be because Instagram said so, because social media said so.
So actually में होता क्या है ना कि हम जब रील स्क्रॉल करते हुए रहते हैं, हमारा एक साइलेंट कंपैरिजन चालू होता है अपने दिमाग में, जहाँ पे हम सोचते हैं कि हमारी रिलेशनशिप अगर ऐसी होगी तो सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा, एंड देन वी ट्राई टू फॉलो दैट, एंड व्हेन दैट डज नॉट हैपन वी एक्चुअली फील सैड इन आवर लाइफ.
And honestly, it's like all highlights, other people's lives highlight make us believe कि ऐसी normal life होनी चाहिए, जैसे is just vacation photos or like pregnancy reveal or new house moving in का vlog. The house is also like fully decorated and like done up by interior designer and stuff like that. So we always aspire कि अरे ऐसी होनी चाहिए life. But कोई भी कभी भी असलियत नहीं बताता है कि इसके पीछे कितने झगड़े होते हैं, कितने problems create होते हैं because of the move.
Yeah.
If say we are talking about moving houses, we did a vlog, right, where you and I were moving to this house and how much we had to go through in between. So for which you guys can find the link here. But my point is nobody sees the real work behind the relationship. Like लड़ाई के बाद repair कैसे करना है, how to share responsibilities at home, how to create an equal relationship altogether.
Yeah, absolutely. So irony ये है कि जब भी हम Instagram देखते हैं, वो तो algorithm पे based है. The more you will watch, the more he will, or algorithm or Instagram will share the same reels, and you will start comparing, and you will fall into the trap that my marriage is not right and I am not doing right, and you always reach for that benchmark which is actually just for social media.
Yeah.
The reality is something very, very different behind.
Just like every season that we have had in our life, marriage also has seasons. Some of them are beautiful, some of them are hard, some of them are like winter where you don't know what to do. And it is so harsh on you both, and yet we need to just remember that it will pass. So there are times when we are able to connect very easily, there are times that we don't have anything to talk about, there are times that you are so aligned, and then there are times you feel like strangers living under the same roof. But none of that means that you are doing the relationship in a wrong way. But what happens is when we see a perfect relationship on the screen and we compare as usual that अरे यार हमारी तो ऐसी नहीं है, हम तो हमेशा ही लड़ते रहते हैं, then we suddenly go into that loop कि हम तो कुछ definitely गलती कर रहे हैं, this relationship is not working out, I want a better relationship, and if you are not going to give me, then I will find it somewhere else.
The reality is that कि show no one is talking about कि dishes कौन करेगा, घर का काम कौन करेगा, कैसे चीजें चलेगी, how will the marriage work. You might have some issues after coming from a therapy session. You will be crying, there will be no one to hold you, your partner will be having own space where he will be crying or she will be crying, you will be crying lonely. lonely. It is some time that कि ये सारी जो चीजें हैं यही रियलिटी है. और एक और चीज शो दैट कि हम झगड़ने के बाद एक दूसरे को फिर से चूज करते हैं. दैट इज एक्चुअली नॉर्मल. और होता क्या है कि हम नॉर्मल डिस्कनेक्शन जो एक रिलेशनशिप में होती है उसको ऐसे समझते हैं कि हमारी रिलेशनशिप हमेशा ही रॉन्ग रहेगी, इसका तो कोई सोल्यूशन ही नहीं है. सो वी स्टार्ट कंपेयरिंग दैट यू नो कि अगर मेरी रिलेशनशिप इंस्टाग्राम वर्दी है और मैं वो सारी चीजें कर रहा हूँ या कर रही हूँ तभी मेरी रिलेशनशिप परफेक्ट है.
तो करण, ऐसे अगर देखा जाए तो फिर हमारी रिलेशनशिप तो कहीं पे फिट ही नहीं होगी ना. इन 9 years of marriage we've never done anything right. I am 37, you are 39. We don't have any kids.
Okay.
We don't live with the parents. We fight all the time.
Mm-hmm.
And we repair all the time as well. And there are times when we feel disconnected. The one thing that has been common in 9 years is that we have come back to each other. We have always shown up for each other, even if it is to figure out कि यार क्या चल रहा है, चलना कुछ तो करें इसको ठीक करने के लिए, right? Or even if it is कि यार बहुत बोर हो रहा है, कुछ नया कर लेते हैं,
Yeah.
type thing, right? So we've never followed the typical expectations set for a couple in terms of Instagram or otherwise in terms of society and social media both telling
Yeah.
us what to do. Still there are times when we see somebody else's vacation pictures and you know their chilling life and we're like कि यार इनका सही है,
वो तो
हमारा
मैं
तो ऐसा नहीं होता कभी भी.
Yeah.
And then we have to catch ourselves and remind ourselves that
no, we are not the one that are
it's
supposed.
okay.
Yeah.
It's okay. Every marriage is unique and everybody can have their version of things, right?
Yeah. So जब भी हम फाइट करते हैं शो, उसमें एक चीज मैंने रियलाइज करी कि तभी भी हम जो फाइट करते हैं या हम अपने आप को कंपेयर करते हैं या हम कुछ बोलने की कोशिश करते हैं, वी स्टिल फिगर आउट दैट आर वी डूइंग द राइट थिंग, आर वी नॉट डूइंग द राइट थिंग, आर वी ऑन द राइट ट्रैक,
Is our marriage successful?
is our marriage successful? Yeah. We try to question most of the things in our life.
And there were times where we had stopped celebrating, right?
Yeah.
We were, because something went wrong in our marriage and we didn't have photos of our wedding day nicely, and we had so much stress on our wedding day, we had stopped celebrating our wedding anniversary.
Yeah.
Because at some point of time we thought that what is there to celebrate, because subconsciously we were thinking कि यार it doesn't look like it that
Correct.
we were happy on that day, and like हमारे पास वैसे photos नहीं है, वैसे videos नहीं है, right? So we were in that FOMO that oh my god, one big day of our life has been compromised, so let's not talk about it at all, right?
Yeah.
We stopped celebrating our real wins in life. Like we were working through so much. You had a mental health challenge, I had my own childhood issues to deal with, I had my mom's death to deal with. We both worked on it and emerged so much stronger.
Yeah.
We created boundaries with family because it was compromising our relationship.
We built our communication. We started understanding what are your needs, what are my needs.
Yeah.
And we came to a middle ground. It was something that was a work that we individually did on ourselves.
Yeah.
You also did individual work. I did individual work. When you talk about my mental health issue, it was a struggling time for me. I had to really cope up and understand that if I do not balance all of those things,
Yeah.
if I do not solve all of the issues that I have in my life, my marriage will never be successful.
And during that time you had uninstalled Instagram and
Yes.
Facebook and deleted your social media account.
Yes. I still remember that, you know, मेरे को वो कंपैरिजन जो एक बहुत बड़ी चीज होती है, आज भी वो मेरे को याद है कि मैंने वो सोच समझ के डिलीट किया है. आज भी मेरा फेसबुक पे अकाउंट नहीं है. People
Yeah.
won't find me on Facebook, and that is the reason that I say that social media is good to a certain extent, but it cannot be defining your life.
Yeah. So Karan, if I have to ask you, then what is the solution?
Yeah.
What is it that we found as the final real life things which can define a good marriage
Okay.
for anyone, right?
So I think there are few questions sure that you need to ask to yourself or to the relationship, that do I feel safe in this relationship? Am I really vulnerable in this relationship? And the second thing is, do we repair after the fight or we depart from each other after the fight? It's like, you know, very simple that कि आपका जब झगड़ा हो रहा है तो क्या आप उस झगड़े को लेके बैठे हो और उस पे वो तलवार चला रहे हो एक दूसरे के रिलेशनशिप में, या आप एक्चुअली में उसके बारे में बात कर रहे हो साथ में बैठ के एंड बीइंग वल्नरेबल, व्हिच इज अगेन द फर्स्ट पॉइंट. ठीक है. एंड देन द थर्ड थिंग इज, कैन वी टॉक अबाउट हार्ड थिंग्स? कैन वी टॉक अबाउट व्हाट आर द डीपेस्ट फियर्स दैट वी हैव फ्रॉम ईच अदर? बिकॉज इन मैरिज it is very easy to compare and see all of those things which which is happening on Instagram and be engrossed in doing all of those things, sharing Instagram, but doing hard conversations when you are not feeling okay. Why are you not feeling okay? What has happened into your childhood? And the last thing that we need to ask is, are we growing with each other in this relationship, or are we growing apart from this relationship? That is the question that you need to really ask.
Yeah, I think we should define our own markers of success for marriage. It should not be what the society tells us. It should not be what social media defines, and it should definitely not be कि मम्मी पापा ने ऐसा बोला था ना तो ऐसा होना चाहिए, because
Correct.
then you are not being an adult in your marriage.
Yeah,
right.
yeah.
So according to me, the first and foremost thing is that the repair thing that you said, that अगर आपका झगड़ा हुआ है तो उसके बाद आप लोग एक दूसरे से वापस कनेक्ट करने आ रहे हो.
Yeah.
ऐसा नहीं हो रहा है कि now for days it's over.
Yeah.
For 10-15 days you're not talking to each other, living under the same roof.
Or you're brushing it under the carpet and saying that कि यही relationship होती है.
And then there is space for both good and bad days. You're not putting this unrealistic social media pressure on yourself कि oh no, our life has to look perfect at all points of time. If it doesn't, then this relationship is not good.
You will have bad days.
Yes.
You will have good days. You
And
will have
you have to
awesome
sit-
days.
And you'll have to sit with it. You
Yeah.
have to be okay with it,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
And the third thing I would say is that you don't fear being honest,
Yeah.
even if it turns into a hard conversation, even if it turns into a messy conversation. There is still truth
Yeah.
between the two of you.
Yeah,
right?
and I think we always believe that ki two truths exist in a relationship, so which is, I think, one of my biggest learning in our marriage.
And
because
we need to take accountability for it.
yeah, and when I talk about two truths can exist, which means that ki it is not always that I will be right or my partner will be right. It can happen that both of them are right at their own individual places. So make peace with it.
Yeah. And when things are not going well, I think the last one I would say is that it's a hard season. Acknowledge that it's a hard season of your marriage, but it is not a dead end.
Yeah.
This is not the end of your relationship. You can work on it. You're maybe just tired right now. You're going through a transition in your life. Maybe you're moving cities. Maybe you're moving jobs. Maybe you're moving houses. Maybe you are just learning something new together.
Yeah.
That this is a new hardship, new curveball जो life ने हमें दिया है.
Yeah.
Life has given us so much lemons.
Yeah, what it brings me show is that ki whenever you are in this hard phase, always remember to come back to the relationship and not go outside from the relationship.
Yes, and come back for connection with your partner, not go on social media for validation.
Absolutely, that is the most basic thing. I think you should do it, because हमारा जो brain है ना, वो एक ऐसा खतरनाक मॉडल है कि आपको हमेशा easy चीजों पे लेके जाएगा, आपको hard conversation पे नहीं लेके आएगा. And the biggest learning I think we have is that we have always taken a jump to always do the hard conversation between us.
Yeah.
And that has been one of the strongest pillar, and that has made our marriage successful.
Yes. And I feel like next time you guys feel कि FOMO हो रहा है लाइफ में और बाकी लोगों की लाइफ अच्छी चलती हुई दिख रही है, तुम अटके हुए लग रहे हो, तुमको लग रहा है कि oh shit, we are so stuck here. At that point of time, please do not go on social media and try to find a different reel to compare yourself with. So next time you guys are scrolling and you end up comparing yourself with someone on social media, understand that you are living in reality of your life. They are not.
Yeah.
And maybe what they are showing is also not the reality of their life.
Yeah.
It's only the highlight.
Yeah.
It's not the everyday struggle. So just
That's their screen life.
That's the screen life, exactly. So just come back to reality, ground yourself in reality, and build the relationship based on real life, not based on reels.
Yeah. Go back to your partner, talk to
Yes.
them, have hard conversations.
Yes. So if you're in a hard season right now, name it. Say it out loud that we are not feeling connected right now. We are just tired. We are going through a growth phase right now. The more you name it, the more your brain will acknowledge that it's a phase, it will pass, and we will see the light in the relationship again. So remember, guys, you're allowed to have boring days. You're allowed to have quiet, messy healing. You're allowed to recuperate from whatever you guys are going through. It does not mean that your marriage is not successful. It does not mean that social media reels can define what your life should look like with your partner.
So yes, guys, if you are struggling in your marriage, if you're struggling in your relationship and and communication feels like a block with your partner, we would suggest that please take help from someone else, go for coaching, go to therapy.
You can book a one-on-one session with us. The link is mentioned in the description below. Also, you will find it at the end of this video. So this was another episode of Happily Whatever After, where we will tell you all the real life truths about love, relationships and marriage. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. We will see you next week with another episode.
See you. Bye-bye.